here we are, 3 projects from today's class. This is our sort of boho wild garden vibe happening today. We're in San Diego today. Schools all over the country, 17 cities. Be sure and join us. This is when the students work. It's their 4th day of designing. They have gone from 0 to this. This is our Japanese influence parallel design, straight hard vertical lines, and this is our classic centerpiece done by our students on their 4th day of class. All 3 projects are done in 1 day. We offer a ton of flowers for every class. That's one of the main reasons people take interest in us. We don't serve wine and cheese, but we do have mega amounts of flowers passed out every day because that's how you learn to do beautiful pieces like this. So if you want to become a designer and get certified in a relatively quick, fast, but immersive week, go to flowerschool101.com and join us for 1 day, 3 day, brand new curriculum starting soon, or a full week of designing. This is their 4th day of designing, and this is what they're producing. They never had touched flowers before, so get with it. Be a designer. You've been something else all your life, it's time to be a designer. Calvin Klein, Isaac Mizrahi, Michael Gaffney, and you. Flowerschool101.com.